Hey folks, Jimmy here, aka Pallet the Dead. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Warhammer news video. As per usual with all these videos though, if you like them, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and drop a comment down below. I love hearing back from you guys and it does go a long way to help the channel too. So, without further ado, this video of course is about day 5 of Warhammer Fest Online 2021 and yeah, it was more 40k. So, this one, you know, we've already had 40k earlier in the week, and we got more 40k today. I mean, 40k has been quite a lot this week. There's been Tuesday nights where it was Adeptus Sororitas models mainly. Then there was Gaunt's Ghosts that appeared in yesterday's, on Wednesday, sorry, for good old Black Library. And then today we have the other 40k stuff, and it's not too bad actually. It's pretty good. I quite like it. I like the idea of it. So of course, not long ago they unveiled the fact that they're doing Beast Snaggas orcs, which are pretty cool looking and very, very beast orientated and very, very determined to track down these beasts and capture them and then utilise them the best way they can. And they generally run around on colossal squigs and stuff like that. And today they've unveiled even more about them. So there will be a army set box, kind of like they did when they released the Lumineth Realm Lords. So this army set box will contain the codex, it will contain 26 minis and pretty much everything to get you going. However, these minis will not be exclusive to the box, just like the Lumineth Realm Lords weren't. You will be able to get them separately. This box will be a limited run though. So everything else will get released eventually, but not straight away. So, the cool thing with these guys is the models themselves, which are really, really quite cool. I must admit, I don't generally care for most of the orcs, but these guys look pretty fun and pretty ace. With all that kind of armour that just reminds me of playing Horizon Zero Dawn on PS4, for instance. And that's the type of armour it looks like. Very orky in a lot of ways though still. And the fact that they have these awesome squigs which look really, really, really fun, including a little grot on a squig that has a wheel, a singular wheel underneath it. So however the hell they've done that, who knows, but they are really, really, really cool. And there are of course some special ones that are coming out as well for it. So with the kind of more special of these Beast Snaggas, there is this guy who is the leader, who runs around on a pretty cool squig with a metal plate on its head and what looks like a bony structure as well, where that metal plate has been bashed onto it. And of course, with these orcs, because they are looking after squigs, is missing an arm. So he's got a mechanical arm in its place. And what you'll find is, and what they pointed out during the live stream itself, is a lot of these orcs are missing a limb at some point. So there are ones that are missing a leg and have a robotic leg in its place, some have got robotic hands in its place, and stuff like that, which you're going to get if you are herding squigs and capturing large creatures and stuff like that, and large beasts. So very, very cool. Now, with this as well, they also revealed that there is going to be one of the very, very old models is making a comeback in a new shape, being revitalised and pretty cool. And this is Zodgrod Wartsnagga, who is a rare breed. He is a runt herd for hire, shunned by Orc Society for all his wild and preposterous ideas. And his main theory, of course, being that grots aren't entirely useless after all, and the fact that he has the ability to kind of enhance a group of grots and everything like that. So if you have grots in your army and you have this guy, he can then utilise an ability where he'll single out a single battalion of them and can enhance their abilities and make them actually quite dangerous as well, which is pretty cool and very, very good stuff. But yeah, these squigs are pretty cool. I like them. I do like the squigs. I'm not a big orc person, but these orcs with squigs are pretty ace. Do really, really like them. One of the things it does say about these new orcs as well is they can be used with any orc army. So you don't have to be beast orientated or anything like that. You can use them with any 40k beast army without any problems or anything like that. So if you want to use them in any other way, you can do. Some of them have better symmetry than others, but these guys, they are there to smash, destroy and take on anything big and tough as well. So they like to hunt down these big behemoths and everything like that, and take the fight to Space Marines especially with this one, which is pretty cool. They also unveiled that there is going to be mega armoured war bosses that are going to be coming in as well and everything like that, and going to appear in the codex of course, which is a pretty cool model as well. It's got a lot of detail going on with it, with that grot on the top with a machine gun, and that big massive chopper as well, which is pretty cool, and very, very nice. It's a good looking model, I'm not going to lie. They also have decided to release an upgrade Cadian Shock Troops pack. So these upgraded Cadian Shock Troops, there'll be new heads, new weapons, and firing positions and everything like that as well, which will be coming out. And you know, it's not too bad. It's nice having an upgrade pack and everything like that. I like the one with the helmet with cards on it, which looks pretty cool, and some of the other helmets look pretty cool as well. So yeah, you can update the Cadian troops if you wish to, for your good old Adeptum Militarum, and stuff like that if you wish to as well. And lastly, they left off with a kind of a hint that a psychic storm is coming, and that there will be new forces at play that are very magical based and very psychic based and everything like that. But you know, it's not a bit of a mystery as to what exactly will be coming, but it should be pretty cool as well. So definitely worth looking out for in the future. But that was it. To be honest, there wasn't much more than that. There was nothing else really announced. Pretty quick and easy one, just not a lot going on with it. Tomorrow of course it is the last day, so who knows what they're going to announce. Hopefully something really, really cool. I'm hoping for good things. We will see. But for now, thank you very, very much for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye bye now.